Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to fix the touchscreen not responding problem on the REALME P3 5G smartphone. So if the touchscreen on your phone is working poorly or it's not responding at all, there are a few ways that you can fix this. So the first one that I would recommend is to remove the screen protector from your phone or the case, because the case might be causing interference by maybe just pressing on the edges of your screen and just causing some interference. So I would suggest to take both of these things off and try whether the touchscreen works. So this is my phone without the case, and the touchscreen works. Just check it out, test it, maybe do some benchmark tests to see if the touchscreen works properly. Next thing that you could try is to just clean your screen with a microfiber cloth. So I have the cloth that I clean my screen with right here. Just put it on your hand and just really get in there. Just clean your screen thoroughly, so it leaves no smudges, maybe no little particles that interact with your screen. And once you've cleaned it, check out and test out if your screen works. So the next thing that you could try is to force restart your phone. And to do that, what you're going to do is just hold the power and volume up buttons until your phone powers off. So this might take a while. So there we go. You need to hold it for about 10 seconds and your phone is going to power off. And then just press the button again to power your phone back on. And there we go. Now it's powering back on. So the next thing that you could try is to boot your phone into safe mode to check for app issues. So safe mode basically disables any third-party apps from your phone so you can check if an app is basically interfering with your phone. So to do that, what you're going to do is just grab a cable to connect your phone with. So connect your phone to the cable, and on the other end of the cable, connect the cable to a PC. And once you've done that, just restart your phone. Start restarting your phone, or turn it fully off. And once you've done that, just hold the volume up and the power buttons again until you are booted into safe mode. So this might be different for different phones, so just check out on the internet how it works in your phone. The next thing that you could try is to update software or perform a factory reset. So to do that, we're going to go to settings, and then we're going to scroll down to the system and updates, select software update, and just wait for this section to decide whether you need a software update or not. So here I need to update my software because it updates Android security and fixes some known issues to improve system stability. So this might help with the touchscreen, and to do that, you just press on this download button down here to start downloading the update, and then just press restart now to start restarting your phone and actually install the update on your phone. And what you could also try doing is factory reset your phone. So just find out how to factory reset your phone exactly without maybe the access to a touch screen. So that could be done by just entering boot mode and resetting from there. Or you could just press back up on reset phone, and then erase all data, so reset to factory settings. So try all of these options, and that might help you. So if you have any more questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. But that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.